This workout has very good odds, and this new method might be what you've been missing, so grab a pen and let's jump in. Welcome back, and without further ado, let's get right into it. As I was learning how Ohio lottery numbers move in one draw to another, I discovered a workout that is very beneficial to your state. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. For today's example, I'll be starting with Ohio's previous Pick 3 hit, 366, which came out on April 20th, 2026 to show you how April 20th hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by drawing 4 circles and put the plus sign in each one. This is what that looks like. Once you have your 4 circles with the plus signs in them set up, you now want to add your previous hit in them. You will put your previous hit in the top left, then the next in the bottom left, and then the one after that in the bottom right. This is what that looks like. After you have put your previous hit in the first circle, you now want to add up the bottom left and bottom right digits and put the add from those digits in the top right corner in the same circle. This is what that looks like. After you have put your added number in the top right corner, you now want to add up the top left and bottom left digits. Once you get the add from those digits, you will put that digit in the second top left circle. This is how that looks. Once you have put the add from the top and bottom left digits in the second circle, you will now add up the top left and the top right digits. Once you get the add from those digits, you will put that digit in the bottom left in the second circle. This is what that looks like. Once you have put the add from your top left and top right digits in the second circle under the top left digit, you will now add up the top left and the bottom left digits and put the add from those digits in the bottom right corner. This is what that looks like. After you have put the add from those digits in the bottom right corner, you will now add up the bottom left and the bottom right digits. Once you get the add from those digits, you will put it in the top right corner in the second circle. Here's an example. Now after you have the second circle set up, you now want to mirror all the digits in the first circle and put those digits in the third circle. This is what that looks like. After you have mirrored all your numbers from the first circle and put them in the third circle, it's time to put your mirrors in the fourth circle. The way you do that is by taking the top left and top right digits from the first circle and put their mirrors in the top left and in the top right fourth circle. And then take the bottom left and bottom right in the second circle and put those mirrors in the bottom left and bottom right circles. Here's an example. The date sum that is working for the state of Ohio right now is the back one day, month, and day in the month date sum. When you guys go to use this workout, you can use this workout for day and night. On April 20th, 2026 evening time, the number that hit was 929. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. In Ohio, I will post a video tomorrow for pick 4 and you don't want to miss it. Make sure to drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next one.